Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Sonia Rsai Putri. You can call me Sonia. My NPM is 24 to 10 and 25. My study program is English Language Education. And now, the Honorable, my lecturer, Miss Nurul Alfetana, and my loving audience. And now, before going to my speak, let's thank to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because He has been giving us much until we can meet in this presentation tonight. Okay, now I want to explain you about the factor influencing EVL student motivation in online learning, a qualitative case study. Okay, now I want to explain you about the abstract. Motivation is one of the key factors that learner success and performance in the language learning process. That is why, with the concerned teacher and research, almost a global health crisis that are the most English preparatory school across Turkey, and motivation attains even more attention. A quantitative case study was conducted in order to explore student profession of online teaching and how it affects their motivation over a period of 7-week course, and to carry out their English as foreign language. English language is foreign language because lesson online, the question of the motivation attract even more attention. Okay, now I want to tell you about introduction. For the introduction is education and students have been left with their feeling of unseen. In this content, we implemented our sororities in such climate of unpredictability surrounding online teaching. Naturally, the question emerged as to effectiveness it is in fact on the teacher and student. The situation can be best explored through research that have revealed the fact through systematic data collection and evidence from the classroom. Due to the COVID health crisis, educator and student. Okay, this study sought to answer below question: what are learners' perception of interplay between online learning and learning motivation? Okay, for the definition of motivation is a research and educator long been interested in learner motivation since it's closely connected to achievement. Define motivation as learner willingness to take part in the language learning process. Okay, now I want to tell you about method. The transcription of the interview and the creative reading of the student were examined by the two researchers to see common themes and categories, and the reliability of the findings were ensured by member checking. First, line-by-line coding was carried out in order to document the talk flow of each participant in the NCWL separately by each researcher. A case study research designed from qualitative research methodology was adopted in the study as the scope of case study is based on a phenomenon that is investigated deeply in real context. 12 students participate in the present study. 6 of them, 20%, complete pre-intermediate level, and 6 of them, 50%, complete intermediate level before starting the 7-week-long online model. Okay, for the result and discussion. In order for a better understanding of the impact of public education on motivation, students' semi-structured interview and creative writing assignment were transcribed and coded. The major term effort students refer to the external factor and the internal factor as they elaborated on their motivation in online learning. The following figure demonstrate the main theme and sub-theme that for the emergent qualitative data analysis. Okay, for the main theme is, for the first is internal factor affecting motivation, and for the main theme second is external factor affecting motivation. For the internal factor affecting motivation, there's three. There's three. I wanna explain you one by one. For the internal factor affecting motivation, the CBA and SI so the participant agreed that affective reason has an impact on their online learning motivation. Okay, now I want to tell you about the certification of course content. Students frequently refer to their certification with the online course content and material by making it obvious where they stand of a set. Definition continuum of motivation, which has intrinsic motivation and motivation in these two ends. For the second is need for communication. The participant also took an effective stance toward the online course due to their need for communication. They compare face-to-face class with their virtual learning content and were critical toward the latter for not fulfilling their need for socializing with their friends. Okay. For the need for communication, the student will need for communication because communication is critical toward the latter for not fulfilling. Okay. And the last is self-regulation. Self-regulation appears to be one of the crucial internal factors. In fact, the student motivation, the online learning environment clearly required the participant to develop new studying habit, which was a challenge for them. Okay, now I want to tell you one by one about main theme for the number 2, external factor affecting motivation. For the first is teacher, for the second is case semester classmate, for the third is organizational problem, and the last is situational problem. Okay, for the teacher, class teacher in online education were reported to have affect student motivation extremely in a positive or negative way depending, and teacher related factor which in turn result in lower or high estimated motivation. For the next is classmate. The effect of classmate on motivation was referred to be another important factor by the participant. For the third is organizational problem. Organizational problem which were caused by the school in the organization of the online course, were mentioned many times and emerged as a factor that decreased student motivation. The lack of group cohesion due to the way the class were organized to include strong and weak students together was seen problematic. Okay, for the last is situational problem. Situational problem, another issue related to online learning context, was the situational problem which arose because of studying from home, feeling less motivation to the home lockdown, and their internet connection. Okay. Now I want to explain for the discussion. What are learner perception of interplay between online learning and learning motivation? Okay. The qualitative data obtained through SSY and CWI reveal the motivational trajectories that the learners when motivation when through the impact of internal and external factor. External factor emerged as the two major themes: self-definition as need for socialization external factor had sometimes that were related to teacher, classmate, their distant learning situation, and organization of the online course. In addition, course content, material, and their self-determination to get the most benefit from the course had a major impact on the participant motivational level as it was related to their personal growth as learners. Okay, the next is conclusion. For the conclusion, the participants refer to various reasons as to why they feel less motivation in the online learning process, such as not being satisfied with the course content and material, lacking self-discipline to follow the course, a lack of communication as a group of teachers and students, and lack of prepared space to follow the course. Okay, for the last is my argument. My argument is motivation is one of the key factors that affect learner success and performance in language learning process. We know motivation is one of the key factor. We can success. All students can success with motivation and study. Okay, maybe enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.